Hi, welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you'll find this useful if you've ever received a notification but been too busy to deal with it at that exact moment of time, but you want to deal with it. There's an application that's free from Samsung, works on virtually every Samsung device, and it will show you all your notifications for the last, up to 1 year, and where it came from. It's brilliant. So you don't have to remember, did the application or the notification come from WhatsApp, Messenger, phone, email, etc., etc. So there's a few ways of doing this, but this is the most simple method of all. You download an application called GoodLock. Here it is here from the Samsung Galaxy Store, not the Play Store. I'll open it up. And there's many applications in this module, many, that are designed to customize your Samsung phone like you won't believe. You can change the colors of everything, the size, it goes on and on. But the one we're talking about is the top one called Notistar, the top one there. Now you can go to the Galaxy Store and just download this, but I think it's worth you looking into downloading the application, the whole thing, the module, because it's free and there's a lot of great applications built into this, like the one below, one hand operation. And if you're interested, I'll do a separate video on that later on. But we're going to open up, we're going to go to Store, so you'll see it. You activate Notistar, and then you choose from the applications that you've got on your phone, which notifications do you want it to be included in this app. You could have all of them, but that'd be stupid. So here I've just gone through the ones that are important for me, like banks, phone calls, WhatsApp, Line, Magic Jack, you get the idea, Signal, which is highly recommended, phone calls, text messages, that sort of thing, okay? Next, the important things, you can have a filter list. So within any of those, you can say if there's a keyword, include that word. You could have it on the lock screen as well. It even opens up on the lock screen, which is useful. Storage period, I've chosen 30 days. You could have 1 year if you so chose. Brilliant. And let's just now open it up. And I borrowed my girlfriend's phone to send me some messages, because obviously I don't want to show you all my other messages. But here you can see at the top, very top, it came from WhatsApp, the one below that was from Line, the one from that from Messenger, and so on and so on. And once you tap on that, it takes you straight to the application where it came from, and you can actually see it there. I'll go back to this. Okay, so that hopefully makes sense. Hopefully you found that very useful. Please subscribe to the channel. It makes a major difference. And see you soon.